Hello students, welcome to the Jan classes. Today we will learn about a list tag in HTML. What is in the list? Firstly, I will clear this concept. Okay, just see here. We have created. We want this kind of output. We want the Jan classes as the heading, and then I will provide the subject provided as. We want to create this kind of list. Computer on the keyboard. Then 1, 2, 3, and then Java, PHP, and ASP.NET. The Java list is divided in another part, that means the core Java, advanced Java, and the enterprise Java. Means we will create the some kind of list that we are providing here. Okay, for that I will create the firstly I will open the notepad plus plus to create the list. Notepad plus plus, and in that I will create the I will uh, I will do some coding, some sort of coding, that means new. Okay, firstly open the HTML tag and the closing the HTML tag. Okay, for that HTML tag open, HTML tag close. In the HTML tag, body tag open, body tag close, body tag open, body tag close. In the body tag, firstly open the output screen. Okay, for that I have already saved that output screen, so simply open that. We want this kind of output. Firstly, the background color is the orange, so write the body bg color equal to orange, double quote complete. Just save this in the HTML final folder, HTML tutorial 7 dot html. Just save this and now run it. Okay, now run it. Yeah. HTML tutorial 6, HTML tutorial 7. Okay, we get the orange color. Now I want the Jan classes in the middle. Okay, simply write the Jan classes, just save this. Now I want the it in the center, so center tag open and center tag close. Just save this. Now I want the font color as a heading 1. So firstly see the what the output we got. Jan classes, I want the heading h1 and in the bold tag. Okay, so h1 h1 tag open, so h1 tag close, h1 tag close. I want it in the bold form, so bold tag open, bold tag close. Just save this and run it. Just refresh. Okay, Jan class is done. Now what we want next? I want the subject provided is as follows. Okay, and computer monitor keyboard as a list. For that I will write subject provided is as follows. is as follows. Now I want the list form. Again see the output, computer monitor keyboard in the list form. So I will write. There are the two type of lists are available. First one is the ordered list and second one is the unordered list. Firstly, I will create the unordered list in which no any order is available. For that unordered list, now in the unordered list, I want the list. Okay, so li and backslash li. Okay, just shift से कॉपी करो, कॉपी and then paste करो, then paste. Okay, in the unordered list, firstly I want the computer, then I want the monitor, then I want the keyboard, then I want the keyboard. Okay, just save this and refresh it. Okay, if we want these bullets, you can see these bullets. Okay, this is shown in the circle manner. If you want this in the square manner, so you can see it. Okay, this one is in the circle manner. Okay, if I want it in the square, so I will write the type equal to square, SQUARE, square. Just save this and now run it. Okay, in the square manner. If I want it in the circle manner, so I will write the, instead of square I will write the circle. Just save this and run it. This one is in circle is form here, but I want it in the disk form, so I will write the disk. Just save this and refresh it. So you can see it is the present in the disk form. Okay, now I want the this one is the unordered list. No order is present. Okay, only the bullets are formed, square, disk and the circle. But if I want the ABC manner or in the 1 2 3 manner, then I will create the order list. For that I will write the ordered and backslash order. Okay, in the ordered list, in the ordered, I will write the list. I have to create the list now. So list form. So list form. In the list, I will write the Hindi, then Marathi, then English. Just save this and run it. Okay, 1 2 3 is by default 1 2 3 is created. If I want the ABC, then I will write the type equal to, I want the ABC in the capital form, so A. Just save it and now run it. Just refresh it. ABC. If I want the small ABC, then I will write the small a. Just save this and now ABC. Now ABC. ABC. If I want the Roman 1 2 3, then I will write the small I. Just save this. And now refresh it. 1 2 3. If I want the capital 1 2 3, so I will write the capital 1 2 3. Just save this and now run it. You can see 1 2 3 is in the capital I form. Okay, now if I want the now again see the output. I want the Java, PHP and ASP. Java list is divided into again subpart core Java, advanced Java and enterprise Java. So I will create the simply I will create firstly the ordered list. Okay, I will create the unordered list. Unordered list. For that unordered list, then backslash unordered list. Okay. Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay. In the list form, I want the Java, then I want the PHP, then I want the ASP.NET. You can add any number of elements here. Okay. Just save these. Just save these and now run it. Java, PHP and ASP.NET is created, but we want to divide, we want a subpart of the Java. Okay, so we will create again in the li tag, we will create unordered list. UL stands for unordered list, again unordered list. Okay, enter. In the unordered list, I will write again list form, Control V, Control V, because we want to add the list now. In the list form, I will write the core Java, then I will write the advanced Java, and then I will write the enterprise Java. Enterprise Java. Just save these and now run it. Just refresh it. Done. Java is divided into core Java, advanced Java and the enterprise Java. This is all about the list tag. Okay, list tag used in the HTML. If I want this form many, I want the square form, so I will write the type, but I want in the circle disk form, so I will write the type equal to disk. Double quote complete. Just save this and now run it. Just save this, now refresh it. Square is created here. Okay, this is all about the list tag in HTML. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.